Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a 2016 Harley Davidson Softail Slim S. Now the Slim S has got the 110-inch Screaming Eagle V-twin. It's a lot of fun in this bike. It's fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. It's got the blacked out look with the olive gold denim paint. It's a flat paint, good looking tank graphics. It's missing a spot of paint right here about the size of a pinky. Not sure how that happens. It's got factory security ABS brakes. It's even got cruise control on this model. It's got the throttle by wire, so no throttle cables. This one's set up for a solo rider, so it doesn't have passenger pegs on it. It's got floorboards for the driver. The Slim has got the short bobbed fenders, the fat tire on the front. This one's got good tread, same as the rear. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly. Then we give it a professional detail. It's got a heel toe shifter. It's got a faint scratch right here on the rear fender. It's got a little dull spot as well. It's kind of hard to see. Pretty good looking ride though. Now those are the stock pipes, but I think somebody took the baffles out. It's pretty loud. Got the skinny rear tire. It's only got, let's see here, 4,719 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.